A is the point where two rows and columns meet. A. Sum. B. Chart. C. Cell. D. Worksheet. That refers to a group of cells. A. Cell cluster. B. Cell range. C. Chart. D. Multi-cell. What is the location of the filling handle? A. At the beginning of any formula or function. B. In the bottom right corner of the selected cell. C. On the right side of the Home tab on the ribbon. D. In Backstage view. True or false, an Excel file is called a workbook? A. True. B. False. What is the best way to remove cell borders? A. Open the list on Border tool in Format Cell toolbar, then choose First tool. B. Choose None on Border tab of Format Cells. C. Both of both A and B. D. None of these. In Excel, where can you change the shading color for a group of cells? A. Choose Required Color on Fill tool in Drawing toolbar. B. Choose Required Color Form Patterns tab of Format Cells dialog box. C. All of the above. When all of the numbers in a range between 0 and 100 should be displayed in red, what command would you use? A. Select the cells that contain number between 0 and 100, then click red color on Text Color tool. B. Use equals if function to format the required numbers red. C. Apply conditional formatting command on Format menu. In Excel, you may set the page border. A. From Border tool in Formatting toolbar. B. From Border tab in Format Cells dialog box. C. You cannot set page border in Excel. D. From Line Style tool in Drawing toolbar. Which of the following statements about conditional formatting is not true? A. You can set condition to look for bold and apply italics on them. B. You can add more than one condition to check. C. You can delete any condition from conditional formatting dialog box if it is not required. Which of the statements below is false? A. Some pictures can be applied as a background of a sheet. B. Sheet tabs can be colored. C. The width of a row and be specified manually or fit automatically. D. You can set the column width automatically fit the amount of text. The formula palette can be used to A. Enter assumptions data. B. Copy a range of cells. C. Create and edit formula containing functions. D. Format cells containing numbers. How do you activate the previous cell when a range is selected? A. Press Tab. B. Press Enter. C. Press the Alt key. D. None of the above. Which tool will you use to combine certain cells and position the content in the middle? A. From the Format Cells dialog box, select the centered alignment. B. From Format Cell dialog box, click on Merge Cell checkbox. C. Click on the Merge and Center tool on the Formatting toolbar. On the Excel screen, there are tab scroll buttons. A. Towards the top left corner. B. Towards the top right corner. C. Towards the right button corner. D. Towards the button left corner. On the left of the formula bar, there is a name box. A. Shows the name of worksheet currently working on. B. Shows the name of cell or range currently working on. C. Show the name of workbook currently working on. D. None of these. Each Excel file is a workbook with a variety of sheets. Which of the following can't be a workbook sheet? A. Chart sheet. B. Worksheet. C. Data sheet. D. Marco sheet. If Excel's auto-calculate option is disabled, how can you update the values of formula cells? A. F11. B. F10. C. F9. D. F8. Click a cell in the row directly above where you want the new row to go in order to add a new row. A. True. B. False. In an Excel worksheet, how do you show or hide the grid line? A. Click Grid Line tool on Forms toolbar. B. Go to Tools Options View tab and mark or remove the checkbox Name Grid Line. C. Both of A and B. D. None of these. You'll be able to move a sheet from one workbook into a new book by A. From Edit menu, choose Move or Copy the Select From to Book list and click OK. B. From Edit menu, choose Move or Copy Sheet, mark the Create a Copy and click OK. What is the meaning of hashtag? A. The cell is not wide enough. B. The cell has the wrong data. C. You've entered a number wrong. D. You've misspelled something. Every new workbook comes with 3 worksheets. If you'd like, you can alter that automatic number. A. True. B. False. If you only want to copy the formula result and not the original formula. Once the insertion point is in the cell you wish to copy to, you would copy the cell containing the formula. Next, what? A. Click the Paste button on the Standard toolbar. B. Click the arrow on the Paste button on the Standard toolbar, then click Values. How can the column width be adjusted to fit the contents? A. Double-click the boundary to the right of the column heading. B. Single-click the boundary to the left of the column heading. C. Press Fn and double-click anywhere in the column. D. Press Alt and single-click anywhere in the column. In Excel, you can integrate the primary document with the data source. Word is commonly used in mail merging operations. A. Client. B. Server. C. Source. Which of the Excel screen components can't be turned on or off? A. Toolbar. B. Formula bar. C. Status bar. D. None of these. It is acceptable to let long text stream into adjoining cells on a worksheet when A. There is not time to format the text. B. There is no suitable abbreviation for the text. C. Data will be entered in the adjacent cells. D. No date will be entered in the adjacent cells. Which of the following methods for modifying cell content is incorrect? A. Press the F2 key. B. Press the Alt key. C. Double-click the cell. D. Click the formula bar. Which key do you use to combine two or more worksheets that are not adjacent? A. Control. B. Shift. C. Tab. D. Alt. Click on the cell beneath the numbers in the column of numbers to quickly add them up. A. Click the AutoSum button on the standard toolbar, then press Enter. B. Click Subtotals on the Data menu. C. View the sum in the formula bar. In Excel, where can you switch between automated and manual calculation modes? A. Go to File Options Formulas Calculation option and mark the corresponding radio button. B. Double Cal indicator on status bar. C. Both A and B. In Excel, the shortcut key Ctrl+D will A. Apply double underline for the active cell. B. Fill down in the selection. C. Open the font dialog box. Which feature determines the input value that will provide a desired outcome after starting with a desired result? A. Reverse formula. B. Data validation. C. SmartArt. D. Goal seek. Which of the following formulas is true? Please check all that apply. A. A3 plus 100. B equals F2 plus F3 plus F4-53. C equals 5B plus 6B. D equals R2D2. What location does the fill handle have? A. In the bottom right corner of the selected cell. B. In Backstage view. C. On the right side of the Home tab on the ribbon. D. At the beginning of any formula or function. What result would this formula in Excel produce? Equals 5 plus 82. A. 7.69. B. 26. C. 91.6. D. 36. A is the term for the point where a row and a column intersect. A. Sum. B. Worksheet. C. Cell. D. Chart. What is the primary benefit of choosing Mark as final? A. It prevents other users from viewing the workbook. B. It ensures that the workbook is free of errors. C. It prevents other users from editing the workbook. D. It discourages other users from editing the workbook. Which of the following is a reference to an absolute cell? A. Hashtag A2. B. A2. C. A2. D. $A$2. To switch between workbooks, click the tabs at the bottom of a workbook. A. Permissions. B. Formulas. C. Worksheets. D. Number formats. True or false? By double-clicking the cell that the formula is located in, you can view the formula. A. True. B. False. What does an Excel workbook mean? A. A sheet of paper with printed data on it. B. A collection of files in a folder. C. A file that stores one or more worksheets. D. A type of chart. Click the Worksheet tab of the sheet you wish to copy, hold down Shift, and then drag the chosen sheet along the row of sheet tabs to copy the complete worksheet and all of its data. A. True. B. False. A cell cluster is referred to as A. Cell cluster. B. Chart. C. Cell range. D. Multi-cell. What does Excel's custom number format mean? A. A number format that you create to fit your specific needs. B. A number format that only displays negative numbers. C. A number format that is automatically applied to every cell in a worksheet. D. A number format that rounds numbers up or down. How would you add several numerical values? Which function? A. Sum. B. Average. C. Total. D. Counta. What is the purpose of Excel's general number format? A. It displays numbers as text. B. It displays numbers as dates. C. It displays numbers with no decimal places. D. It applies the default number format to a cell. What does an Excel number format mean? A. A feature that automatically adds numbers in Excel. B. A format that tells Excel how to display data in a cell. C. A formula that performs mathematical calculations in Excel. D. A function that rounds numbers up or down in Excel. Which function can locate a cell range's highest value? A. Max. B. Highest. C. Top. D. Max value. Which of the following comes first in the order of events? A. Operations enclosed in parentheses. B. Operations involving large numbers. C. Exponential calculations. D. Multiplication. What Excel multiplication symbol do you use? A. B. C. X. D. Plus. How would you calculate the average of the data in cells A1 through A10? A equals average. B equals mean. C equals total A10. D equals average.